Hi, magandang araw. Kumusta ka? Welcome back to our lesson, Giving Commands in Tagalog, Part 2. Handa ka na ba? Tara, Giving Commands, Part 2. Giving Commands in Actor Focus. Before we continue, let us have our lesson review. Label the pictures with verbs in command or imperative form. You can pause the video so you can answer. Handa ka na ba? Una, pumili, umupo, tumalon, tumayo, tumakbo, bumili. Ang galing mo. Congratulations. Dito naman, label the pictures with mag verbs in command or imperative form. Handa ka na ba? Magtrabaho, maglakad, maglinis, magluto, maglaba, mag-igib, at maghugas. Ang galing. Tama lahat. Congratulations. Dito naman, label the pictures with ma verbs in command or imperative form. Handa ka na ba? Manood, makinig, matulog, maligo, mamili. Tama lahat. Congratulations. Now let us continue. Today, let us talk about our sentence pattern in giving commands. In Tagalog, when making sentences, we always start with a verb. For our positive command, we have the verb plus the subject pronoun. Since it is a command, it should be directed to the second person. And since this is actor focus, it focuses on the doer of the action, in which, in this case, our subject is the subject pronoun second person, ka, which is you, singular, and kayo, which is you, plural. Halimbawa, magtrabaho ka. Magtrabaho is a command for work. Ka is you, so it would mean you work. Magtrabaho kayo. You all work. To make a negative command, the second person subject pronoun takes the connector ng when occurring between huwag and the verb. So our sentence pattern would be huwag plus subject pronoun ka, kayo plus the connector connecting to the verb. Halimbawa, huwag kang tumakbo. Don't you run. Huwag kayong tumakbo. Don't you guys or don't you all run. It is important to note the inversion of the position of the pronoun and the verb in the negative command. Naintindihan mo ba? Magaling. Tingnan natin ang mga halimbawa. How do we say jump in Tagalog as a command? We say the verb first, jump, tumalon. And then the second person subject, ka. So we say, tumalon ka. You jump. How do we say that in negative? Don't you jump. We start with don't, huwag, and then the subject, ka, with the connector ng, and then the verb, tumalon. So we say, huwag kang tumalon. Huwag is commonly shortened to wag. Another example, you bathe. How do we say that in Tagalog? We start with the verb, bathe, maligo, and you, ka. So we say, Maligo ka. You bathe. How do we say that in negative? Don't you bathe? Don't. Huwag. You. Ka with a connector. And bathe. Maligo. Huwag kang maligo. Don't you bathe? Maraming salamat. Sana ay naintindihan mo. Ngayon naman, let us have our activity time. Activity A. Negate the following commands. Add ng after the subject pronoun ka, kayo. Our sentence pattern. Huwag plus subject pronoun, connector plus verb. Halimbawa, matulog ka. We say, huwag kang matulog. Can you answer the rest? You may pause the video while answering. Now let's answer. Handa ka na ba? Tumayo ka. You stand. Huwag kang tumayo. Don't you stand. Makinig ka. You listen. Huwag kang makinig. Don't you listen. Tumalon kayo. You all jump. Huwag kayong tumalon. Don't you all jump. Maglakad kayo. You all walk. Huwag kayong maglakad. Don't you all walk. And tumakbo kayo. You all run. Huwag kayong tumakbo. Don't you all run. Nakuha mo ba ang lahat? Mahusay. Congratulations. Activity B. Translate the following commands in Tagalog, then convert in negative. We've got a sentence pattern in positive command, verb plus a subject pronoun ka or kayo. For negative, huwag plus a subject pronoun plus a connector connecting to the verb. Halimbawa, you clean. Clean is maglinis and you is ka. Maglinis ka. For the negative, huwag kang maglinis. Don't you clean. Can you answer the rest? You may pause the video while answering. Handa ka na ba? Let's answer. Number 2. You watch. Watch in Tagalog, manood. Manood ka. In negative, huwag kang manood. Don't you watch. Pangatlo, you choose. Choose, mamili or pumili. Pumili ka. Mamili ka. Negative, huwag kang mamili. Huwag kang pumili. Pang-apat, you all listen. Listen is makinig. Makinig kayo. In negative, huwag kayong makinig. Number 5, you guys sleep. Sleep is matulog. Matulog kayo. In negative, huwag kayong matulog. Don't you guys sleep. Nakuha mo ba lahat? Napakagaling mo. Congratulations! Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat sa pagkikinig. Sana ay marami kang natutunan. Thank you so much for listening and I hope you have learned a lot. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and for the part 3 in giving commands in Tagalog. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam. Ingat.